Welcome to the Maker Day here at Hudson Arts and Science Charter School. We're here at Hudson County. We have a collaboration with NJMEP, NJEDA. Students are exposed to manufacturing careers. We're working on CNC machines, welding machines, robotic arms. It's great to get the kids exposed to this type of workforce and kind of build their confidence and show them the way of how engineering works and manufacturing in New Jersey. New Jersey is one of the biggest states that does manufacturing, and they need to see this right here in Hudson County.
You're gonna go ahead and press that green cycle start button. Okay.
We are proud to partner with New Jersey Maker Extension Program to bring this event to our high school. This collaboration helps our students to learn about high demanding careers and explore opportunities in innovation and in manufacturers.